Hey guys, this is Mainak, your Swill Bro. So today I'm here to talk about the recorded sessions of the course on building design using Tekla Structural Designer, and it is available in Udemy. And those of you who want particular practical exposure to this Tekla Structural Designer and also certificate course, they can definitely enroll. Now, special discount is going on. The regular price is 7.99, and now if you just uh, purchase this today, then it will Udemy is offering a price of 4.99. So I kept a very reasonable price so that everyone who wants to do this certificate course can avail it. And let's discuss what are the things which you will get here. And obviously, since this is a paid course, unlike YouTube, there will be no ads, and the common part, there is the common basic part is there for to start with. The basic things of all the Tekla structural designer, and then comes the part which is most important. That is the practical live project. So, I have added this. This you can see this 27-30 minutes of content for the live project is there, and I have also added then this further this model preparation they will also come. And here you will get all the CAD files and all the this data which will be required for projects. For example, in this project I have the architectural plan and the ground floor, this center line, first floor center line, all these things are there, and this is from an actual project of mine which I'm doing, and just I have recorded. And when you do an actual project, you have to face some problems also, like minor changes in architectural plan also. So everything will get the experience of a live project, and you'll also get certification. So if you want to just put it in your CV or LinkedIn or college placement, it's anything. So you'll have that particular certificate to just kind of prove it. And I had also gone in this this Udemy for other courses on this building design, Tekla structural designer. So this is the most I think concise manner I had prepared so that everyone can use it. So if you want to just learn this Tekla structural designer and get a certificate course in detail without any ads and all, uh, because this has full lifetime access also. So then you can definitely go and register using the link which has been given in the description. And more on that I will update further. Okay, thank you, bye bye.